Westminster Underground Station. So what do I need? Let me see. How do I go from here? Okay, let me try and work it out.
The next station is Embankment, change for the Bakerloo Tottenham line and National Rail Service from Charing Cross. Exit for railroad services from Embankment Pier.
I need to change the train. So which way do I? Oh, down here. Okay. This is Embankment, and I need to change to the Northern Line. Okay. Platform 3, okay. Northbound platform 3. Yeah, down here. So yeah, just thought I'd show you how the underground works. And this is, here we go, this is what I want. Northbound platform 3. Look at the tunnel. That is to go towards Bakerloo line. So that's a Bakerloo line. Down there, northbound.
What?
I said I'm so confused today. Having changed the station in a long time.
Alright, we are now changing over to the Bakerloo line. Going to the Witherspoon.
Exit for riverboat services from Embankment Pier.
During this wet weather, the station floors, stairs and platforms can become very wet and slippery.
This is a new Elizabeth line at Farringdon. So I'm going to take the Elizabeth line here to Tottenham Court Road. But this station is brand new. The whole of the Elizabeth line only got open in last year, I think fully open last year. Parts of it was open before that, but yeah, the whole line was only fully completed and open since last year, I think, 2024. We are at Tottenham Court Road. I've just come out of the Elizabeth line and now we have to walk over. Oh, the other way, sorry. Yeah. Okay.
Due to the weather conditions, surfaces around the station may be slippery. Please take extra care.
Already, I thought my